Culinary Hub presents a recipe to prepare succulent, juicy lamb chops with herbs that are finger-licking good, easy to cook on a stovetop and takes less than 30 minutes. To prepare this exciting recipe, first let me collect some fresh rosemary from the kitchen garden. It is the time to marinate the meat. Let me sprinkle a little amount of sea salt, followed by freshly crushed black pepper. Then in goes fresh thyme. You can use dry herb as well. Then I'll add chopped rosemary, followed by a generous amount of crushed garlic. Then I'll be adding a little amount of chili flakes. This is totally optional. And allow the meat to marinate if there is time, or you can start grilling right away. Then I'll heat a grilling pan, add a little amount of cooking oil and start grilling the lamb chops on a medium flame. The flame is medium to prevent the herbs from getting charred. I'll flip it after 4 to 5 minutes and cook it on the other side. Once it gets a nice brown color, to make it taste even better, I'll be adding a tiny bit of butter. Now the flame is low and I'll continue to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. This easy recipe is a good suggestion for a date night dinner as well. Once the lamb chops are cooked, I'll allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes so that it absorbs all the juices. And today I'm serving it over a bed of couscous salad. Just check out the oncoming video for this exciting recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button, click the bell icon and also subscribe for more such yummy and lip smacking recipes. Thank you.